Ahorita cayó un tornado warning. Got cracked. Decided not to use the coffee maker today because I'm not trying to get electrocuted. Buenos días, good morning everyone. Ahorita son ya son las 5:40 de la mañana. I just finished packing Neno's lunch. Y si voltean la cámara para allá, ya saben qué es lo... Oh my god. Miren. Siempre se acumulan los trastes todos los días. Ahorita que salí para afuera, está bien frío, no sé cuál es la temperatura, but it's cold. Déjame checar. Ni sé dónde largué el teléfono. I'll pick up the camera in a little bit, you guys. I just wanted to open up the video y decirles que espero que tengan un bonito día y bienvenido a otro video. Déjame peinarme un poquito tan siquiera. Oh my god. Okay, I think I got it. Hoy me toca estrenar esponja. Esta esponja la compré hace muchos meses, pero dije cuando se me acabe el paquete de esponjas que tenía abierto, entonces voy a usar esta. No estoy tan segura de haber agarrado este color, porque este color cuando tallas trastes con grasa y todo eso, como que se le nota más. Well, see, we'll give this natural looking sponge a try.
The next day.
Ahorita cayó un tornado warning aquí en el área.
Tornado warning, which means there's a tornado here somewhere.
I'm gonna go check the other side. A 30-minute warning. My battery's about to die, pero
the worst of it right around the airport and Independence Parkway. So this does not
oh my God.
in this area, but as I mentioned earlier, we do have that set up today where we have that potential for some EF2, potentially larger tornadoes to form because we had a lot
oh my
of
God, I hope they're okay.
A lot of instability, and unfortunately, we are seeing that scenario come to pass. So if you are in Deer Park, make sure that you are taking your tornado precautions seriously. Stay indoors, get to the lowest level, put as many walls between you and the outside as possible. We have had confirmation of a tornado touchdown in the Siena area. We now have confirmation that this tornado has touched down.
I wanted to just confirm and sort of reiterate what Bernicia was saying, which is that this is a large damaging tornado. If you guys can take links 1, what I've done here is we can get information from the radar about how fast these winds are blowing. And so you can actually see 84 miles per hour on one side, 53 miles per hour on the other side. So you have a difference in between.
That's so crazy, huh?
135 miles per hour, or what you would call shear. So just to give you an idea of where this is, because, you know, we need to know, this is Pasadena-LaPorte Freeway. So,
oh my God, so it can get bigger?
And back over to even Montville.
Sometimes they go up
even though it's not hitting you
oh,
now, you're included in this tornado warning. But I'll tell you, you know, like, we've all been doing this a long time, you know, and been around here a long time. This is one of the clearest, you know, radar signatures that I recall seeing.
Nuestra calle ya se inundó.
Get away from the windows, and then if you can get to the most interior room, that's going to give you a little bit more protection as well. So obviously,
Mira, ahí está el tornado que pegó.
Where, producer Mark? Oh, from Channelview Stadium. So
wow.
This is at least the funnel spotted over there in the Channelview area on the east side of Houston. And that's definitely a scary sight, no doubt about that.
Yeah, it's very rare because we never get tornadoes aquí en nuestra área. Nunca.
Head to the woodlands, so they must have come across that and said, wow, this is pretty bad. We gotta show them.
The next day.
Alright, y'all, so me vine a Chipley's. Chipley's? I said it in Spanish. Chipley's. Me vine a Chipley's. Oh, good. It says only kolaches, and that's what I wanted. Only kolaches. Is it open? Ayer pasó el tornado, so a lot of the places had to shut down porque se les fue la luz or there was some type of damage, and I think aquí se les fue la luz because everything looks good from the outside. Pero a ver ahorita que como porque oh my god, I'm so hungry. Ya van a ser las 12 de la tarde y todavía no como. I did wake up at 4:30 in the morning today, so ya tengo mucha hambre. Que tengo que ir a la nail shop, y'all. Todavía no se me quebró completamente la uña. It's hanging in there, if you know what I mean. La uña la tengo craqueada. And it's been like that, I'm not even gonna lie, it's been like that like for 4 days already. Pero, I mean, it still has a grip. I just no he tenido ganas de ir a la nail shop, you know what I mean? Bueno, ya llegué a la nail shop, but I just want to show you what I was talking about. No sé si ven. Está cracked from both sides. Miren. You see that? Ahorita no traigo el tripod puesto. Cuando me bajé a la nail shop, le quité el tripod a la cámara. That way no tomara tanto espacio when I was recording. This is the nails. Me salió un poquito más chetita que la otra. Me la hizo otra nail tech. The previous nail tech me la había cortado un poquito from the sides. She didn't completely make it coffin shape, but she just took a little bit of the sides off. Ella no, and I forgot to mention that to her. But it's okay, ya tan siquiera no me duele. Me vine al McDonald's a agarrar un café. Guess what I did this morning? Oh my god. Okay, so en la mañana dije, ¿sabes qué? Me voy a preparar un café. No sé si a ustedes les ha pasado que dejas el filtro con el café que preparaste anteriormente. And this morning when I was trying to take that filter out, it ripped on me y todo el coffee cream que tenía se metió al lado donde le tengo que poner el agua para hacer el café. So it was a disaster. Good afternoon. Let me have a large coffee, please.
Any cream or sugar?
5 sugars and 8 creams.
5 sugar, 5 cream.
No, 8 creams.
8 creams?
Yes,
Anything
please.
else?
No, that's all.
Alright, first window.
Thank you. Like I was telling you guys, la tuve que desenchufar. I took it ahí al sink y la empecé a echar agua adentro de la coffee maker. Lo jugué varias veces y creo que se le salió todo. I'm really not sure, but I decided not to use the coffee maker today because I ain't trying to plug that thing up. It's wet and I'm not trying to get electrocuted. Muchas gracias. ¿Me puede dar un popote?
Sí, claro.
Gracias. Yay. Ya agarré un café. I love coffee, y'all. I'm not addicted or anything, pero sí me gustan los cafés.